Hey everybody, Rich here. Just wanted to share with you on these Bluebird rocker switches. This is out of a 2016, but many years of them are the same. I was going to change the bulb. I am changing the bulb, and you can see the bulb socket is right there. This particular one, the bulb broke when I tried to pull it out of there with a pair of needle nose. Not really a huge deal, but I'll go over what you need to do. Normally, this is your switch cover, of course. It's got these little clips on each side, and that just sits down in that switch like so. If you take a little screwdriver, just a small one, you can go down in here along the side and kind of just gently pry in a lifting motion, and then go to the other side and you can get that to pop out of there. Now these take a special bulb, but if you take that spot right there, that hole that the bulb goes into, and you open that up just the tiniest bit with a 7/32 drill bit, you can go to Napa or whatever parts store or Amazon or whatever and get a number 73 bulb, which is this little guy here, and it'll go in there. Now in this case, when the bulb broke off, I had nothing I could grab onto, so that's why you see the rest of the switch here. So this bottom white piece here clips into there, clips into those, and then you can pretty easily, this bottom piece will just pull out of here. See if I can do it one-handed. Yep, so there you have it. And there you can see the socket for the bulb. So anyways, so if you're changing these and you have a bulb that breaks on you, don't panic. Everything's fine. Just make sure that you have your switch internals the way they should be, and then you can press this back into place just enough to hold it, and then you start sliding this back together. Now I may have to put the camera down here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to for just a moment here. Okay, now we've got that all snapped back together, and then we can take our little light bulb here, get it lined up to go down in there. Of course, it's not lined up. It's going to be difficult. Just want to be really careful not squeeze when you're using those needle nose, because you'll just pop that bulb and then you'll have to start all over again. But you want your flats there, get it to focus, to be straight across like that. And once you do that, then your bulb will just push right in there like it just did. So now it's down in there seated. And then these pins, so there's a larger side there and a smaller side there. They correspond, you may not be able to see it, but down into here. And that way you can't get it reversed. But the bulb is always the top of the switch anyways. So then you just put your cover back on there. And there we go. Then it pops back into place. So, and then it's ready to go back in the panel and get your connector back on there. Double check your light and you're all set.